So I'm going to kickstart this project by building over my old application. So if you guys don't have this application, I have uploaded on GitHub. You guys can clone it and code along with me. So let's start. I'm gonna type my username, and you can see I need to do some design changes over here. So this video is gonna be all about design changes. So I need some users. I need to display connected users on the left, and this chat window is gonna go on the right. Uh, it's gonna be 15% of the 15% of the chat window is gonna be of connected users, and the rest of them is gonna be of the chat window itself. So let's start. So I'm gonna go inside my chat container, and here I'm gonna type. I want a div inside my children. I want class name, and I want a row, and I want this height to be 100, and I'm gonna render the props children inside here. Then inside chat, here I want the chat header, chat body, and chat input on one side, and our chat users on the left side. So I'm gonna wrap these elements inside a div. So I'm gonna say div. I want class name. Here I want it to display as flex. Flex is gonna be column, and I want this column to have 8. Call, is it LG? Yeah, it's LG. I want call Excel, just so we can have responsiveness, responsive design, excuse me. And then I want padding start to be 0. I'm using Bootstrap 5. So if you're using below Bootstrap 5, I believe it's going to be padding left, the L0. If you're using Bootstrap 5, it's padding S start. So here I also want the class chat window. Inside this, I want to put all of our containers inside. And above it, we want our users, connected users. So here, I also want it to display flex. Flex is going to be column, I think. Flex is going to be column. I want this to have column 4, width 4, column LG 4, and just so we get that responsive design. And I want padding end to have 0. If you are using Bootstrap 4 or below 5, it's going to be padding up, padding right. So it's padding end 0, and I want border right, so we get that border color, the separation line. Actually, I don't think this is a class in Bootstrap 5, so I'm going to remove this. This is useless. Inside this, I'm going to copy the chat header here. All of this. I'm going to paste it here. The same thing. I don't want this strong tag. Logged in as user.username. I'm going to remove this logged in as. I just want user.username. Let's see how this looks. This looks okay, but we are missing the border line. So seeing as Bootstrap 5 doesn't have the border right class, I'm gonna write a custom CSS for that. So let's write a custom CSS. Here, let's go to index.css. Down here, I'm gonna write border info. I'm gonna write border border right. I want this to be 1 pixel, and the color is going to be 0 DCAF 0, and it's going to be solid. So let's see how this looks. Just save this as well. Yeah, that looks good. This is exactly what we want. For now, I think I'm not gonna render this. So I'm gonna comment these components out. Let's go in chat. So let's go in chat. Here I want to comment these out. I'm not gonna render that. I'm not gonna render them for now. Yeah, that looks good. Here I want a connected users div. So let's put that. So here I want to write div class name. I want this to have this flex, justify to center, and align items, items center. Then I also want these to have the same height as chat window. So I'm gonna put this class inside here as well. And for now, I'm gonna say no users connected. Above this, I want to type another div. I want this to have the center, and I want this to have a BG primary. This to primary. Say connected users. Need to put all these inside here. Yep, that looks much better. I think if this text should be white, so that it looks much better. So I'm gonna say text white. Yeah. In the next video, I'm going to render all the connected users over here. Also, whatever changes I make uh, in this project, I'm going to be uploading all of that on GitHub daily or when I upload this video. So if you guys think you might have missed something or I might have missed or accidentally edited it out from the video, you guys can check the repository because 100% sure the code is going to be properly written. So I'm going to put that repository's link in the description so you guys can check the commits as well. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.